Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. We've been putting this skincare hero to the test, and we're here to share our thoughts with you. But before we dive into the review, remember to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy our content. Let's get started. Exfoliating is a crucial step in achieving that radiant, blemish-free skin we all desire. And Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant claims to be the solution. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. First, let's talk about what we like about this product. One thing we love about Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant is that a little goes a long way. You won't need to use a lot of product to see results, which is fantastic for both your skin and your wallet. If you have sensitive skin like me, you'll be pleased to know that when used in moderation, this exfoliant is gentle and doesn't cause irritation. It's a dream come true for those with enlarged pores. This product works wonders in minimizing their appearance, leaving you with smoother-looking skin. Over time, this liquid exfoliant helps improve the texture of your skin. So, if you've been dealing with rough patches, you might want to keep watching. Unlike some heavy or sticky products, Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant melts beautifully into your skin, leaving it feeling refreshed and renewed. Of course, there are a few things to consider before diving in. Here's what we don't like. It's worth noting that for some skin types, especially if you're new to salicylic acid, this product could be irritating. So proceed with caution. So what's the bottom line on Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant? If you're dealing with breakouts, an uneven skin tone, or texture issues, this exfoliant is definitely worth a try. But remember, every skincare product is highly individual, so make sure to test it, before incorporating it fully into your routine. This product contains two key ingredients: salicylic acid and green tea. Salicylic acid is excellent for those pesky blackheads, whiteheads, and enlarged pores. However, it can be a bit harsh for some, so use it in moderation. Green tea, with its anti-aging antioxidants, can help soothe and protect the skin. After a full week of using this exfoliant, I could notice a difference in my skin texture. Since I use it only a few times a week on nights when I don't use retinol, it might take a bit longer for my results to fully show. I did feel a slight tingle the first time I applied it, but there was no irritation or angry bumps the next morning. Lately, I've even been able to skip foundation and just use concealer, a sure sign that my skin is improving. While my hyperpigmentation spots are still visible, I'm hopeful they'll fade with continued use. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant is priced around $30, and in my opinion, it's worth every penny. Finding an exfoliator that works without causing irritation can be a challenge, especially for those with sensitive skin. Plus, you only need a few drops, so the bottle lasts a long time. In conclusion, I'm usually skeptical of products with nearly all 5-star reviews, but Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant truly lives up to the hype. It has been a game changer for my skin, and I would highly recommend giving it a try if you're dealing with similar skin issues. That's a wrap for today's review. If you've tried this product or have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest skincare reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.